to my channel, Coin Lady, and thank you for returning. The markets are still in a state of chaos. The US stock market has just lost more than $879 billion. The markets are seeing another massacre today, and all of the blue chips, the main stock companies, are down. Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Nvidia are all in the red. We lost $2.9 trillion yesterday. Thus, we lost almost $3.6 trillion in all. Wow, that's completely crazy. We now have the most recent pinned tweet from XRP insider The Big Shorts, who claims that the secret hour approaches on July 26, 2024, in the fool's reality, as the elusive hand's edge draws near. An appropriate symbol for this would be a katakana character from Japanese. Su is the correct pronunciation, because a financial tsunami is currently raging in Japan. We also have the insanely low Nikkei 225 index, which is down 1,662% on the day. The largest daily decline in Japan since Black Monday in 1987 occurred today, and the market is now trading at about 66,400. The zoo has formally arrived. According to XRP insiders, the collapse of Japan will trigger a global collapse of all nations' cryptocurrency markets. This is particularly true given the current state of affairs in the US, where investors are watching the market closely and seeing a decline in prices. Bitcoin is currently trading at $60,000, a decrease of 6% from its previous high of $142. Sloan is suffering the worst hit of any of the top 100 cryptocurrencies, with Ethereum following behind. Along with many other cryptocurrency assets, XRP has taken a major hit this week, falling just 1.32% to 55 cents. Thus, XRP is being affected the least and is experiencing the least decline among the leading cryptocurrencies. Thus, it is pleasing to observe. For the time being, however, we anticipate a decline in crypto prices due to MACD crossings across the board and prices below all three moving averages. Bitcoin, in particular, may retest the $56,000 market. XRP, which might drop back down to approximately 50 cents. Cryptocurrencies are currently experiencing a bull market, and Bitcoin's price action remains optimistic, despite the fact that the market has recently had a significant downturn. The wick-off, reaccumulation pattern is currently playing out in the Bitcoin market. Here it is in all its glory. And after the initial pump, which is currently underway in the Bitcoin market, comes the dump. The Bitcoin pump, dump, and correction are all visible here. Following the correction, Bitcoin is beginning to move back up, indicating a turnaround. As previously stated by Anonymous, Bitcoin will subsequently reach the $100,000 threshold, marking a new all-time high. According to the wick-off accumulation patterns, this is the expected movement for Bitcoin. The initial pump is where I will start, followed by the corrective. The next step is the opposite. This is how Bitcoin is making a comeback. After that, Bitcoin will go parabolic and reach a new all-time high, followed by some congestion. As a result, August or September might see Bitcoin reach a new all-time high, and by September, it will have exceeded $100,000. Therefore, selling your cryptocurrency makes absolutely no sense to me. Here, you should increase your cryptocurrency holdings, because a market reversal is imminent. The eighth candidate has proposed a $350,000 Bitcoin, which would make it equal to half of the whole market capitalization of gold. The CEO of Vanex, one of the largest financial organizations, is also a Bitcoin. A Bitcoin worth $2.9 million could be possible by the year 2050. Thus, the top 1% have a strong opinion about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Think of how much other cryptocurrencies, like XRP in particular, may rise in value if Bitcoin truly reaches these price benchmarks. However, in the end, Bitcoin is just a diversion, and we will witness Bitcoin either going significantly higher than $350,000 or very lower than $350,000. Even in the most mainstream media, 1% can fool us. You guys should not fall for their pranks, tricks, and the end-of-the-world price predictions. These men, you know. As a result, the whole market for cryptocurrency stocks, like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethan, etc., is governed by a single thumb. However, this is a significant indicator that the markets are about to rise. That the top 1% are already driving the markets is evident from this. Justin is a prime example. Money supply reaches new heights. We are at an all-time high. We have printed $105 trillion. And each time you observe the printing of currency, frog go. They just create more money. The markets rise because they pour that money into them. Consequently, the market should start to rise soon as a result of the money supply increasing and the money printing proceeding as planned. Just so you know, next Monday, 15,000 advisors at Morgan Stanley will help eligible clients with BlackRock, Delis, Bitcoin, and exchange-traded funds (ETFs). Their clients' assets are worth $5.7 trillion. The crypto industry is seeing an influx of even more capital. The ETFs have increased our capital. Plus, there's the printed money, the US dollar, also venturing into the marketplaces. Cryptos are about to experience a meteoric rise in value as a result of the influx of capital. The combined holdings of MicroStrategy and BlackRock ETFs amount to 569,000 Bitcoin valued at $36 billion. The 36 number appears again, and it is possible that Morgan Stanley would facilitate the entry of trillions of dollars into the ETFs. So much for Bitcoin. Discussing XRP through the lens of fractals, the tool of choice for the 1%. Once we witness the XRP breakout, we will see this move coming in for XRP, rising to $6, then $33, then $349. You guys, if you hold XRP for a long enough period of time and hold a large enough amount, you can make hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of dollars. Unlike the American dream, which is why it is called the American dream, achieving a $10,000 XRP is incredibly achievable. This is especially true for guys. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Finally, here is XRP from Xena. It seems like a lot of XRP folks are following us on Twitter. She goes on to note that the Rebel CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has said that we are nearly at the end of that trip. I assure you, that is true. Something huge is about to happen to XRG, and XRP is finally headed to the moon, according to the claims and XRP's announcements. The end is close, folks. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.